Hello students. In continuation the same type of problems, that is we are finding a group of physical quantity which have similar dimension. So again we are going to discuss another set of group of physical quantities which have similar dimension, like work, kinetic energy, potential energy, torque, all kind of energy, and RCH. All have same dimension, and their dimensions are m l power 2 t power minus 2. Their dimension are, I am writing once more, m l power 2 t power minus 2. See, we are going to find one by one. Work. As we know, work equal to force into displacement. So I am writing it in short, F into d into cos theta. This is a formula for work. Dimension of this force is ml t power minus 2. I taught so many times. Dimension of displacement is L. Cos theta is unitless and dimensionless. So work has dimension m L to the power 2 and t to the power minus 2. So this is what dimension of work. In the same way, one can find dimension of this kinetic energy. The formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. This half is unitless, mass have unit kilogram, velocity have unit meter per second, whole square. So its formula will be kilogram meter square per second square. So its dimension will be m l power 2 t power minus 2. So work, kinetic energy have same dimension m l power 2 t power minus 2. So student, अगर आपसे प्रॉब्लम पूछा जाए कि is it possible that different physical quantities have same dimension, you will answer yes, it may be possible that this different physical quantities have same dimension, like this work, kinetic energy, potential energy, torque, and this RCH have same dimension m l power 2 t power minus 2. Now we will find dimensional formula for this potential energy. Potential energy is given by mgh. M is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, h is height. So dimension of mass is m, dimension of this acceleration due to gravity is lt power minus 2, and dimension of height is l. So it will be m l power 2 t power minus 2 is the dimension of potential energy. So potential energy, gravitational potential energy or any kind of potential energy have same dimension m l power 2 t power minus 2. Student, you can find the formula for torque RCH. In this RCH, the student first write it. If you are interested to write, you can pause this video and write it. Now, we are going to find, student, you can find this torque yourself, it has same dimension, but in this formula RCH, it is my duty to inform you all these terms separately. Student, this R is Rydberg constant, RYDBERG past of years, Rydberg constant. And it has dimension L power minus 1. C is what? Speed of light. Speed of light. You know its value is 299,792 458 meter per second, which is also equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Its approximate value is this one. So its unit is what? Meter per second. So one can write its dimension LT power minus 1. This h is what? Planck's constant. H is Planck's constant. Planck's constant. The formula given by Planck E equal to h nu. Listen once more. Formula E equal to h nu. E is energy, h is Planck constant, and nu is frequency. So in this formula, this E is what? Energy. H is Planck's constant. E is energy. H is Planck's constant. Planck's constant. And this nu is what? Nu is frequency. So with the help of these informations, one can find the dimension of this RCS, and the value will be ml power 2 t power minus 2. If any problem, ask me, I will solve it. You can also find formula for torque by using formula torque equal to force into perpendicular distance between the forces. Right now, torque equal to force into perpendicular distance between the forces. So by this information, you can find dimensional formula for torque and RCH, which have same value ml power 2 t power minus 2. Thank you.